We've got one whole family here of automotive enthusiasts. And who's the youngest? David's the youngest? He's how old? 4. He's 4. And Olivia, are you the oldest? You're tired. And how old are you? 8. So we've got everybody here from 4 to 8. We've got Olivia and Elise and Dave and David. David.